Hello, Namaskar. A very warm welcome to all the viewers, all the students in NCERT's live interactive session. This session is for Mathematics Class 6. You are all watching us on eVidya channel number 6 and you can call us on 8800440559 and you can also visit our chat box on YouTube. It's NCERT Official. So time to start the session of mathematics, and the topic for today is practical geometry. And students, you can also mail us on our mail ID, that is dth.class6@cet.nic.in. And now time to move on to our guest. Our guest is Mrs. स्वर्णलता शर्मा. आप नेशनल अवार्ड से सम्मानित हैं TGT गणित मैथमेटिक्स विषय में मदर मैरी स्कूल मयूर विहार नई दिल्ली से. मैम स्वागत है आपका. नमस्कार.
थैंक यू. हेलो.
आज मैम से जानेंगे प्रैक्टिकल जियोमेट्री के बारे में. सो मैम प्रैक्टिकल करना शुरू करते हैं.
यस. बच्चों ने पहले सीख रखा है कि हाउ टू बाइसेक्ट अ लाइन सेगमेंट, है ना, हाउ टू मेजर द लाइन सेगमेंट, हाउ टू ड्रॉ सर्कल व्हेन द रेडियस इज़ गिवन और व्हेन द डायमीटर इज़ गिवन. ठीक है. आज बच्चे सीखेंगे हाउ टू ड्रॉ एंगल्स of various measures, that is some special measures, and how to measure the angles. Also, suppose I don't know the measure of an angle, how to copy that angle. Okay, so let's begin. Here, see.
तो बच्चों, आप मैम की स्लाइड्स भी देख रहे हैं और जैसे कि मैम ने बताया कि किस तरह से आप एंगल्स को, अगर आपके पास कंपास नहीं है, अगर आपके पास डी नहीं है तो आप मेजर कर सकते हैं. इसे आप कर सकते हैं जैसे कि अब मैम बताना स्टार्ट कर रही हैं.
हाँ, हम एक्टिविटी भी करेंगे. ठीक है. तो वी विल बिगिन विथ कंस्ट्रक्टिंग एन एंगल ऑफ अ गिवन मेजर. फिर हम सीखेंगे कंस्ट्रक्टिंग अ कॉपी ऑफ एन एंगल ऑफ अननोन मेजर. देन constructing bisector of an angle. Fourth, constructing angles of special measures. Fifth, we will be doing activity to make a protractor by paper folding. Alright, so children, let's start. We have an interesting fact to share with you all. The construction techniques you are learning in this chapter were used by the ancient Greeks about 2000 years ago. Right, and they also used the compass and a ruler. The ruler, however, had no markings and was called a straight edge. Okay, and here we use the protractor to construct angles of any given measure. With the help of a ruler and compass, we can construct angles of certain measures such as 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. We can also construct angles equal to given angles. So, here let's begin doing the constructions. Constructing an angle of measure 40 degrees. We follow the following steps, children. First is draw AB of any length. Then place the center of the protractor at A and the zero edge along AB. You can see in this figure. In this way we will be doing the construction, and in the next step with the zero mark near B, mark point C at 40 degrees, join AC, and therefore angle BAC is the required angle. Let's perform here. We have an AB line segment. Can you see, children? And here as we notice the steps, we will place the center here at O. Right, here we have the center at A I have placed, and from here I am supposed to mark 40 degrees, children. So I will start measuring from anti-clockwise direction. Here you can see, Srijan, it is 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, and here comes 40 degrees. 40 degrees is an acute angle. So this side it will be, and I can join these points to get a measure of 40 degrees in this way. Okay, children, this way we can construct an angle with the help of protractor and a ruler, And we know Srijan, from here we start measuring. It is acute angle 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is a right angle,
Yes.
and all the angles here will be obtuse angles till 180. Right?
Right.
So we can measure from here, and if you want to use a protractor, children, as we had studied earlier also, we can measure the angles from left hand side also. Suppose I need to draw a 30° this side. So I will take a line segment AB and I will make the angle this side with 40°. That will be clockwise direction. Alright. So we can use this from both the ways, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Alright. Now let us look into another construction. We have.
Can I ask one question?
Yes, sure.
That slide कि आपने इस एंगल को BAC नाम क्यों दिया rather ABC?
No, we can name, it's no hard and fast rule that we have to use it as ABC. Children can name it as PQR or XYZ, anything as per their desire, provided it is not mentioned in the question. If it is mentioned in the question, draw angle PQR is equal to 40°. So naturally you will be taking this point as P, this is Q and this is R. Alright, instead of ABC. Right, children? Okay, let us move on to the next construction now. We have here constructing a copy of an angle of unknown measure. This is very interesting. Suppose an angle whose measure we do not know is given and we want to make a copy of this angle. You know, Srijan, what we will do? See, you have to interestingly notice, as usual we will have to use only a straight edge and a compass. That means a ruler and a compass.
Okay.
Here, given angle A whose measure is not known, you can look here. Steps will be draw a line L and choose a point P on it. Second step will be place the compass at A and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle A at B and C. Then we have next step, use the same compass setting to draw an arc with P as center, cutting line L in Q. Step 4, set your compass to the length BC with the same radius. Alright, children. So place the compass pointer at Q and draw the arc to cut the arc drawn earlier in R. Join PR. This gives us angle P and it has the same measure as angle A. This means angle QPR has same measure as angle BAC. Okay, children. Now let us draw and see this. Let us construct a copy of the given angle. Here, children, I am already given an angle. Here, see ABC. Alright. Here, I don't know the measure of this angle. Right, Srijan? But I am supposed to make an equal angle here. How do I do it? What I will do, I will take a convenient radius and let me draw an arc. Notice here, I will draw this arc in this manner. Alright, with the same radius, I will place it at Q and I will construct this arc. Okay. Now, what I will do is, I will see how much is the measure of this angle. I can extend this in case I need to extend this. See here, we can see this angle. How much is the width of the angle? That will give me the measure of this angle. Alright. And I will place at this point and I will cut it here. Okay, children. Now let me name this point as P, and if I join this, I will get the angle PQR of equal measure. Understood, children? ABC angle is equal to PQR. Okay, we have taken a convenient radius and we did this arc. After seeing how much is the width of this angle with the help of compass, we have marked the radius here and then we have joined these 2 points. I get a copy of the angle ABC as PQR. I hope it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us move on to the next construction. We have bisector of an angle. This is also very interesting, children. construction with ruler and compass, obviously. Let an angle, say angle A be given. Here step 1 is, with A as center and using compass, draw an arc which cuts both the rays of angle A. Label the points of intersection as B and C. Let us perform this. We have an angle ABC. We can see the angle ABC here, and I need to bisect this angle, right? How will I do it? I can take a convenient radius and draw an arc in this manner, okay, such that it is cutting both the rays AB and BC at two different points. Okay.
Got it,
now taking these points, let me name these points as P and Q for convenience. Now from P I am changing the radius so that I can draw here an arc. See this side, if I take P as center and if I draw an arc in this manner, without changing this arc, against region we will keep it at Q, okay,
Got it, ma'am.
and cut the previous arc. Simple.
Yes.
Now we will join this point B and let me name this point as D. Okay. So let me join this B and D. This BD is angle bisector of angle ABC. Is it clear, children? I just repeat the steps. We take convenient radius and we draw the arc in this manner, okay, in this manner. Now keeping the compass on point P and taking convenient radius, I will cut an arc and placing this compass needle on Q, I will cut the previous arc and let the point of intersection be D. If I join BD, BD is going to be the bisector of angle ABC. Now Srijan, maybe we are mentioning it is bisector, let us verify with the help of protractor.
Yes.
Okay. Let me see, this angle happens to be I think 80 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, ABC is 80 degrees. Now we have constructed this here bisector. Is it at 40 degrees?
Yeah, completely
yes,
on 40.
on 40. Yes. That means BD is the bisector of angle ABC. Right, children? Good. Now let us go to the next one. We have here, see, these are the steps which we had used. We had used these steps and we constructed. Now angles of special measures. It is very interesting, children, to note that there are some elegant and accurate methods to construct some angles of spatial measures which do not require the use of protractor. Okay, how do we do it?
Yeah, it is actually interesting to know how can we do this without using these instruments of maths.
Yes, it is very interesting. See, it looks like a magic, you know.
Yeah.
Let us start here. We have a line. Can you see, children? I am having a line here and I am going to first construct an angle of 60 degrees. Let me take a point O here, right?
Right.
Now I will take a convenient radius in my compass and when I place it on O, okay, I will be drawing this arc in this manner. Fine. Let me extend this. Okay. Without changing this arc, I will, without changing the radius, I will place it here and cut this arc at this point. You know how much the measure will be? It will be 60 degrees.
Okay.
I have not changed the radius, children. See, I repeat here, placing at O, I have taken this arc in this manner and without changing the radius again, I have cut this and you will find that this is of measure 60 degrees. Okay, this is of 60 degrees. I can name this angle as angle AOB. Alright, now I will tell you one more interesting thing. We had taken this as 60 degrees. See, this was the measure of my arc, that is the radius, and with the equal radius again I am going to cut one more arc on this previous arc, right. This again will give me plus 60, so the angle is going to be 120. 60 plus 60 is how much, children? 120 degrees.
Yes.
Let me name this as angle C, and COB angle, let me write here, angle AOB is of measure 60 degrees and angle COB is of measure 120 degrees. Let us verify, Srijan. I think I will keep it here. This is my center O, and with the help of protractor, yes, angle AOB is 60 degrees.
Yes.
Okay. And what about this angle? Here I can see BOC is of 120 degrees, right?
Yes.
Now, here one more angle. See, because I have learnt how to draw the bisector of an angle, I can draw 30 degrees also.
Ji.
How? If I take from here convenient radius and I will cut an arc in this manner, and from this point again I will cut this arc, and thus I get the bisector of angle AOB. So, what is half of angle 60 degrees?
30.
30 degrees, very good. So, this is my angle bisector. Let me name it as EOB. So, this angle is going to be 30 degrees. Alright, children.
Yes,
see, we have not used protractor, but we are able to construct some angles of special measures, 60 degrees, 120 degrees, and likewise I can name this angle as EOB, that is equal to 30 degrees. Alright. Now, we can also draw some angles, children, like 90 degrees, okay, and 45 degrees, because we know the how to draw the bisector of an angle. First we will learn how to draw a right angle, and then we will bisect it, so we will get 45 degrees.
Yes,
you can think of some more angles which can be drawn, you know. What is 90 plus 45? I think you can construct 135 also.
Yes,
let us try out now. Let me take this line here, okay, name it as O and name this as OA. Now, at O I want to construct a right angle. What will I do? I will take a radius and draw this arc, okay. From here, see, this is 60, and again 60 I get here 120, but half of 60 is 90, I know that, okay.
Yes,
so, I will bisect this 60 degrees to get a 30 degrees, and as a result, see, what is 60 plus 30 now? It is 90 degrees.
Yes,
in this way, I am able to construct a right angle, children. Let me name this angle as BOC, BOA, sorry, BOA is equal to 90 degrees. I said we can even draw 45 degrees. Can I bisect this region?
Yeah,
I will
definitely,
get, I will take here convenient radius and I will cut this arc in this manner without changing the radius. I will place it at this point and I will cut the arc again. Now, if I join these 2 points, I think I will be able to make the bisector of this angle, that is 45 degrees, and I will mark it as C. So, angle COA will be 45 degrees. I hope it is clear. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
You can explore some more angles, children. You can draw some more angles. Just give a thought to it, ki which angles can be constructed, because you are able to bisect it. Can I bisect 45 degrees again? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I will get again half of that angle and I can go on bisecting to make some more angles without using a protractor. Now, also see, let us proceed further. We will be performing an activity also. We have done these 120 degrees. Now, to make a protractor by paper folding. This is very interesting activity. We have here see a colored, see we have to take a color paper and draw a circle of convenient radius and divide it into two parts, it becomes a semicircle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I take this, children, and I will just fold it this way, okay, this is handmade protractor which we are going to make. I am just making a crease this way, and when I open this, you will be surprised that this gives me an angle of 90 degrees.
Right
if I
angle.
draw this, yes, it will be a right angle. Okay. Now, if I am able to bisect this again, okay, that will be giving me an angle of 45 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me do that. See, I will place this above this line and make a crease, okay, and I will get an angle of 45 degrees in this manner. Without using the protractor, we are able to make angles by just paper folding, children. Same way, this is 45 degrees, it makes 90 degrees. What about this side? This side also, if I overlap these two line segments, see here, I will get again 45 degrees. So, if I add these angles, I will get how much? 90 plus 45 is 135 degrees, right, children? So, this was my 90 degrees, this is here 90 degrees, and this angle is 45 degrees, and if I measure from here, see these three angles, this will be 135 degrees. See, I can show you this. See, in this way we can construct angles here. Suppose I fold it thrice, you know, 180 divided by 3 will give me 160.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if I construct this way, see, if I fold this in this manner, and here also with, again I am just folding it into 3 equal parts. So, that will give me 60, 120 and 180. Thus, you can have 60 degrees, 120 degrees and 180 degrees, because this straight line is of 180 degrees, children. Okay. So, we were able to make handmade protractor, and let us verify, is it correct? See, we had made it here, see, this is 45 degrees and we did a bisector, see, between 40 and 50, is it 45 degrees? Yes.
Yes.
And what about this angle here? We had here, yes, this is 90 and this is between 130 and 140. So, is it 135 degrees? Yes. All right. So, you can try on your own this activity. You will be very happy to note that you are able to make angles without using a protractor. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Now, let us look into one more question here. I have got some questions for children as homework also. See here, children, you can note down this and try on your own. Draw an angle of 140 degrees with the help of a protractor and bisect it using ruler and compasses. Second, draw an angle of measure 65 degrees and draw an angle equal to this angle using ruler and compass. Third one, draw an angle of 135 degrees using a protractor and divide it into 4 equal parts. It is not 2 equal parts, children, it is very interesting. You have to draw, divide it into 4 equal parts using ruler and pair of compasses. Check your construction by measurement as we had done in today's session. Question number 4, draw an angle of measure 50 degrees, copy its supplementary angle. Here Srijan, I hope you remember what are supplementary angles.
Yes,
when the
ma'am.
measure of two angles results in 180 degrees, we call them supplementary angles, right?
Yes,
Here the
ma'am.
question is, draw an angle of 50 degrees and copy its supplementary angle, not 50 degrees. What is supplementary angle for 50 degrees? I think 180 minus 50 should give me 130 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, I have to copy 130 degrees to draw. Alright. I think you will be able to do it, children. Please try out this homework, and in case of any problem or any doubt, you can write to us, you can correspond with us. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the session.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot, Sonlata ma'am. You teach us very well how to draw geometry, practical geometry, and without using a protector, we can also do it. And this is a really very interesting way to teach us. So, dear students, now time to say goodbye and thanks to our guest, ma'am Sonlata ma'am.
Thank you, viewers.
स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने अभी तक अपनी बुक शैक्षणिक स्तर 2023-2024 के लिए ऑर्डर नहीं की हैं तो आप उन्हें हमारे ऑल ओवर इंडिया सेल्स काउंटर से भी मंगवा सकते हैं। फ्री ऑफ डिलीवरी आप इन्हें 9:30 to 6 PM किसी भी दिन मंगवा सकते हैं। ये दिल्ली, कोलकाता, गुवाहाटी, बेंगलुरु में आप जो हमारे सेल्स काउंटर हैं वहाँ से इन्हें ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। आप इन बुक्स के PDF या फिर सॉफ्ट वर्जन्स भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं NCERT, ई पाठशाला, दीक्षा और मोबाइल ऐप के ज़रिए। आप हमें मेल कर सकते हैं ncertbooks.ncert.gov.in पर। इसके अलावा हमारी मेल ID है www.ncert.nic.in। स्टे सेफ एंड अपना ध्यान रखें। नमस्कार।